Guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. It's really simple, so let's show you how to do it. First, we have to go on our Snapchat app. And then here we need to go to our chat. And then if I only have one chat. So if I go to my friend right here, and then if I do this, if I minimize the page, so we have this, you can just take a screenshot and they will not know. So let's go back, and as you can see, it didn't appear message with you took a screenshot of chat. So if I take a screenshot of chat right here without minimizing the page, they will know that I've screenshot this chat. So as you can see, now it says you took a screenshot of chat. But if I do this like this, they will not know. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video and I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also comment down below your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye bye.